friends, this week I'm sharing a recipe for a classic dish, braised black pepper pork. This recipe has a few simple ingredients and quick to cook. It's tasty and easy, making it a great dish for the busy work week. For the ingredients have green onions, garlic, a shallot, pork sirloin, salt, ground black pepper, fish sauce, vegetable oil, sugar, and water. Starting with the green onions, separate the root portion from the stems. Chop the stems. Transfer to a small plate and set aside for now. Smash the garlic, remove the skin, and then mince. For the shallots, peel the skin and discard. Chop the shallots. Sprinkle the pork with 1 teaspoon salt. Rub the salt onto the pork. Rinse with cold water, washing away the salt. Transfer to paper towels and pat dry. This is a larger piece of pork sirloin, and I won't use all of it for this recipe. Cut the pork into strips about 2 to 3 inches thick. Now cut into slices about ½ inch thick. In a large bowl, add the pork, half of the minced garlic, and half of the chopped shallots. Add the salt, a 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, and the fish sauce. Combine together, mixing all the ingredients well. Cover and let marinate for 15 minutes, longer if you have the time. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. When hot, add vegetable oil and sugar. Stir together. In 2 to 3 minutes, the sugar melts and turns a light honey color. In 3 to 4 minutes, it turns an amber color. Swirl the caramel in the pan for a few more seconds, letting the color deepen. Don't let it go for too long or it will burn and become bitter. Quickly add the remaining garlic, shallots, and marinated pork. Combine together, coating the pork in the caramel. Cover the pan and cook over medium-high heat until the liquid starts to boil. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Combine together, making sure the pork is coated with the sauce. Add the water. This isn't an excess amount of water, but just enough so all pork pieces are touching liquid. Cover and bring the liquid to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low. Skim off the foam and discard. Mix everything together again. Partially cover the pan and continue cooking over medium-low heat for 10 minutes. Partially covering allows some of the liquid to evaporate, making a sauce. Combine together every 5 minutes so the pork pieces are well coated in the sauce. At this point, have a taste. The dish should be more on the savory side with a bit of sweetness. I'm adding another ½ tablespoon fish sauce and sugar. Combine together again and let cook for another 5 minutes. If you like a thicker sauce, remove the lid and cook uncovered for the last 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and give it another quick stir. Finish by adding a 1/4 teaspoon coarsely ground black pepper. To serve, transfer the braised black pepper pork to a plate. Drizzle the sauce on top. Garnish with the chopped green onion stems. Since this is a savory dish, it's best enjoyed with fresh vegetables like cucumbers or steamed vegetables. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.